Hi friend, and welcome into the craft table at Sunny Miles Studio. I wanted to show you this cute idea for a blank fall card. I'm just using my Art Nouveau set. Oops, wrong direction. And I'm just using some of these fall colors here at the bottom, the browns and the oranges, and I think I'll use this kind of green blue with a little bit of the turquoise mixed in for that. So just start by making these just wonky little boxes. And I always seem to start at the top left so that my hand doesn't smudge the paint as I go. And you can leave some little white spots if you want. It's feeling very fallish where I live. All the leaves are starting to turn and the nights are getting cool. It's a beautiful time of year. And since I'm using that orange, I kind of want to complement that by using a little bit of a blue color down here. This is a little bit more green than I want. So I'm going to add some of the turquoise. There, and now let that dry. I have one that I did earlier that's already dry. And then I think I use my Posca pen. And you can pick any fall doodles that you like. These are just ones that I came across that I like to do a lot. It's just an acorn. And the part that makes these interesting, actually I think I'm going to switch to this other Tombow pen because I can make it thicker and thinner easier. The part that makes these interesting are making it thin in some areas and then thick in others, and then going in and adding little white dots in some areas. And I saw Karenelaine, I think her name is. I'll put it in the description, but she made something kind of similar to this, a variation. And I liked the effect that it had with the dots. This is just a leaf. I draw the stem first. And then if you make a mistake, that's kind of where you can make it thicker. It's a very forgiving design here. Except I keep making mistakes, the whole thing's gonna be fat. Add a little bit of thickness down here. And then this is a leaf that has kind of a heart shape. I just saw one of these yesterday. It's kind of a yellow leaf. Not sure what the tree is, but, and then it's got jaggedy edges. That come in. I could probably make this a little better if I took my time more, but just go in and make some of these thicker. I don't know, I'm not enjoying this leaf right at the moment. I might choose a different one next time I make this card. It's not as dramatic. These little edges, I'm not getting it as how I want it, but that's okay. And then this is one of those seed pod thingies. I'll just give it like 5 little loops up top here. And I'm lifting up my pen every now and again to make a break in the line. I don't know, it looks interesting to me. And then I'm going to make some of them a little bit thicker. Something like this. And then let that dry. And then all you need to do is add some dots. I'm going to use this small toe pen. Any kind of white acrylic pen would work. And I like to get mine going on a scrap piece of paper first, because it usually blobs out or it doesn't work at all. And then you just go and make different dots. Different sizes and different numbers. I usually stick to odd numbers. And you can make it go, you know, bigger to smaller, just all kinds of variety. I'm putting the dots where the lines are thick. This one's a little tricky, but yeah, this leaf, I'm not liking it so much, but that's okay. I give myself permission to not like it. And you learn something when you make something you don't like, and next time you'll change it and make it better. So it's never a waste. And I find we're usually harder on our own selves than other people are that are looking at our work. It's kind of funny like that. There, I think I'll stop there. But this would make a cute, just a blank card. Sometimes you need a blank card when you're writing a letter. And this would make a great fall one. So I hope you enjoyed this design, and I hope you'll try it too. And I look forward to painting again with you soon. Take care.